So then we got we have to add some logos. For logos, one thing that I would recommend you is go to, if you are just going to add some test logos, there is a GitHub logos library, GitHub SVG logos. Search for this one, and then you will find this repository. Like, they have a big collection of logos, like pretty big collection, and all of them are SVGs. So if you are just designing for just for Dribble or maybe for your portfolio, and you don't need to add like client specific logos, then you can use this library. They have like massive collection of logos, all of them in SVG format, and they all looks really nice. So instead of putting them, finding the logos, I just gonna copy and paste all of them from my collection. So this is what we get so far. I'm going to paste it here, and these are the logos that we have got so far. For making this one active, I have done the same treatment that we have done here. So this is what I have done here. All right, so after adding the logos, we are just 2 sections away. Section logo. The second last section is call to action. So we're going to create a square rectangle. Maybe we can make it 370 pixel, add some border radius to add a little bit of uniqueness. Instead of 30 on here, I'm going for 20, or maybe I can even go bigger. This add a little bit more details and make the design a little bit uniquer. So here, now the next part is we have to add some text. So subscribe to get information, latest news and other interesting offers about Jadoo. Okay, so we're going to have the same like here, and so we have to make this one a little bit smaller because this is too much. All right, and then we have a rectangle with white fill, and then we just duplicate this one and make it a button. Both of them should have border radius of maybe 10, and the spacing should be 20. Let's make it our primary color, and this one can stay like whatever it is. Let's add some text. Submit. We have poppins, we have white, we have 18 and maybe 16. Still too much. 14. This looks good. And make it a button, make it a group, center, and then here we have some text. Enter your email address and make it medium because it's a placeholder text. So it's let's add some opacity on this text, and over here, maybe if you're lucky enough, we can find an email icon. Yep, there you go. You're lucky today. All right, so here I'm gonna paste the icon, and that's it. All right, so now we have to add a little bit more details to this this div, this rectangle. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to copy this one, the color, and make it lighter, maybe around this one. Yep. And then we can always play around with some shapes to make it a little bit more interesting. So for example, for this one I'm going to use some squares, some whatever this is. Yeah, it's a circle, and make it a little bit bigger. Something like that can work over here. And I'm going to create a duplicate of this rectangle, and then I'm going to add a mask over here. There you go. You can see some details over here. Just add the opacity. Same we're gonna do from here. So now it's a little bit of details, but it looks really nice. And then let's make a group, call it section CTA. There you go.